Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of some home updates that I've been doing around the house. Just a few new things that I've gotten or things I would like to share with you guys, as well as just throw in a little bit of some clean with me stuff because I've been cleaning like crazy trying to get my house back in order just after being in school and being super busy. I do have a few off days, so I was really excited just to be able to stay home and get some stuff done. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be. I'm just going to show you a few things that I've updated or changed, and then show you some cleaning clips. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. What would you like to see next on my channel? Don't forget to let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, so that's all I have to say, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so a bunch of things in the living room. I finally got my rug in. This rug is from Target, and it's a 9x12, and it has really pretty colors that match these chairs over here. That was the whole reason I wanted this rug, is because it ties in with this area so well in my house. So I will link this down below. But I really liked it. The only complaint I had was the shipping. It took like a month and a half to get here, which is ridiculous, but we got it, and I think it looks so good. It ties in really well with my living room, and it really just ties in with this area over here, which is what I wanted. And then I got a coffee table. We don't have like a ton of space. We have a really good sized living room, but I didn't want a huge coffee table because my dogs like to play in this area, and we're always in this area, and I didn't want to be tripping over a coffee table. So this one is just it's actually from Walmart. It's the Better Homes and Gardens brand, and this is what it looks like. It has the glass top, and then there's nothing on the bottom. I kind of wish it had glass on the bottom and I could put like a basket or something down there, but it's okay. I really like how minimal and sleek it looks. I don't know. I just really like it, and it was under $100, so I highly recommend it. Really nice quality, and the gold plays off that area so well. Like, it all ties in very well together, so I really like that. Okay, next is my fiddly fig. I got this at Home Depot, and I'm just hoping it stays alive. Like, it's got some little spots over here that I'm hoping will grow back and look good, but I actually got this planter, which is I am obsessed with, and I got this at Home Goods for $20, and I thought it was so adorable because I've been wanting one of these with the stand, and the ones at Target are like $70, and I just don't want to spend $70 on a plant stand. So check Home Goods if you're in the market for one like this, but I really like it. I'm not going to keep it in here because it doesn't get enough sunlight in here, but I just really love it, and I just hope it stays alive because I'm obsessed with it. And I'm not the best with taking care of plants, but I'm gonna try my best to keep this one alive. So over here, I just have this vase that is from Target. Those beads are from Hobby Lobby, and all the floral is either from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And then I got this sign that says Home Sweet Home, and I'm on like a bead kick right now. Like, I love beaded things like this. So I had to have this. I don't know if I'll keep it here, but I just thought it looked really cute. And it just says Home Sweet Home. And then over here, I just have two lanterns, and this one actually has a little succulent in it that my mother-in-law got me, so I love that here. It just adds a nice little pop of greenery. Over here, I have another vase from Target that I just put in some spring florals just to kind of decorate for spring a little bit. I haven't really shown you guys my spring decor other than my entryway bench. Okay, so in my dining room, my mother-in-law bought me the sweetest, like, I just love this whole setup. It looks so cute, and it really goes well in my dining room because I have this whole kind of more rustic theme going on in here, minus the like modern bar cart. And this is my dining room chandelier, which I changed out. So I don't know if I've shown you guys it, but I love it so much. So I just thought these were really cute. And it's like the galvanized charger with the cute little cotton plates, and these are like heavy duty plates, they're not the plastic ones, with the cute little burlap rings around the flowers. I just thought it looked so cute. This was like my great grandma's china hutch. It's got random stuff on it, but I love it so much. It just goes so well with these plates. So that's pretty much all the updates I have in here. We still don't have dining room chairs. I don't know where to store all this stuff because my cabinets are full. But let me show you guys a few of the things I got. I got these on sale at Home Goods for $4, like $4. So I thought these were really cute. And then I have my random eggs from last year. These are blinds cleaners, which are amazing. And then I just have some stuff that I want to put out for Easter. Like this little sign that I got at Hobby Lobby last year. This sign I got at Kirkland's this year, and then I've had some of this stuff, so that's why it's kind of messy in here, but I'm just trying to organize everything before I actually decorate for Easter. So I used to have a big sign that was hung up right here, and I just took it down because I felt like it didn't look as good as it did with my old furniture. Like, and now that we've repainted and everything looks kind of different in here, I took it down. So suggestions for the bed, let me know because I don't have anything for up there. So next in my bedroom are my floating shelves, and these are not done yet, but I just want to show you kind of what I have going on right now. I still have a few tweaks I want to make, but I don't really know what to do. I feel like I need to stack something or give it some more height, or maybe stack that lantern on top of some old books or something. But I like the overview of it now. It looks okay. I'm just not completely set on it yet. But this stuff over here is from Hobby Lobby. These pictures of my dogs are my most prized possessions. Like, I'm obsessed with them. They're so special, and they're hand-painted pictures of my dogs. So yeah, I'm obsessed with them. They're literally my most prized possessions. And then I just have my letter board, my little bead garland that I made to go around my candles, a wedding picture, and then just a few little things like that. Okay, next thing is this big mirror, my full-length mirror. Sorry, it's kind of messy in the background from the dogs. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I really like it. It's a big, nice mirror. We got it at Home Goods, and I just have it on the wall. I don't know if I like it on the wall like this, but for now we're gonna keep it because my last one, my dogs knocked over, and that's why I had to get a new one. But I really like this one. It goes really good with the new paint color in here, which this is called Icy Avalanche, and it's by Sherwin-Williams. So yeah, I really like this new mirror, and it's nice to have a full-length mirror. So this is the bathroom. The color in here is called Glacial Stream. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but yeah, I really like it. It's more of a white-toned gray, but I don't really know how to describe paint colors. But anyway, so I have this sign from Hobby Lobby that's hanging, and then I just have my plant, my towels I got on sale at Target, and then just like my little bath bombs and stuff over there, and then this bath caddy, which is from Target as well. And then in here, I just had this old plant that my mom gave me, but I actually really like it in here. And then I changed out the toilet paper holder, and I am obsessed. Like, I know this is something so silly to be obsessed over, but it just literally changed the whole look of this room, this bathroom, and I'm so glad I chose to change it out, and it was only like $8 or $9 on sale at Hobby Lobby. And last but not least, I just hung this picture up on the wall. I just love the way the colors played off of it, and actually a friend painted it for me, so I just really like it, and I think it looks so pretty in this bathroom.
see me as your enemy or see me as your friend. It is 19 months since I was there and held you in my hand. It is 18 since